Is Wendy doesn't fit? Is she too big? Yeah, you put her sitting in, yeah. You need to turn her around? Oh, yeah, like that, yeah. Oh dear, Wendy fell out. Wendy on the roof? Yeah, you put Wendy on the roof. Yeah. And Bob on the roof too. Did Bob jump?
Yeah.
Did he jump or did he fall? Was he